and wasahlan. Come see the freshest fruits and spices.
I will never look at rice and lentils the same way again after trying koshari. This isn't just street food, it's an explosion of flavors. Let's dig in. Koshari is Egypt's ultimate comfort food, now making waves on Turkey's vibrant streets. Imagine a bowl loaded with layers, fluffy rice, tender lentils, tiny pasta, topped with crispy fried onions. Then comes the real magic, a tangy tomato sauce, a splash of spicy garlic vinegar, and a sprinkle of chickpeas. Here's how they do it. First, cook rice, lentils, and macaroni separately. Pile them up, then add a generous spoonful of garlicky tomato sauce. Top with golden fried onions and chickpeas. Don't forget that kick of vinegar. The taste? It's warm, hearty, and honestly addictive. Every forkful is a burst of texture and flavor. Crunchy, saucy, spicy, savory. Try making koshari at home and you'll taste why it's a street food legend, both in Egypt and now, Turkey. Hungry yet?
And wasahlan.